Cheers. So now we're gonna make some tuna wraps using tuna fish, some Primal Kitchen Mayo, some avocado. Always with the avocado. And collard greens.
Yeah, and collard greens are my absolute favorite green to wrap burgers and sandwiches in because they're, first of all, they're big.
Yep.
And unlike lettuce, can sometimes be wet and flimsy. Yeah. These are sturdy.
Substantial but flexible.
Substantial but flexible.
Yeah.
But you can use lettuce for this, but right. Always collard greens if you can find them.
Cool. So I'll make the filling, which is just going to be a can of tuna, mayonnaise to suit your taste, and some lemon juice. And why don't you can start preparing some of the other stuff, and we'll get going on this.
Okay, so to get your collard greens ready to wrap, you just want to cut off, because the stems are really hard. So you want to cut off the stems right up to the base of the leaf, like so. And then if the vein of the leaf is pretty thick, what you want to do is just take a sharp knife and just run it down along the side and cut it out. Now, I don't want to cut this leaf totally in half. So what I do is I kind of go up to where it's thin, cut the stem out, and you're going to be left with something that looks like this. And don't worry, because when we roll it, you won't be able to tell that it looks kind of funny. So I'm going to do 2 of those. And then for the sake of time, we've pre-sliced some radishes for you. I'm going to slice some cucumbers, and the way I like to do it when I'm wrapping is I like to do kind of little matchsticks as opposed to slices, just because that way they roll more nicely. So these are super flexible though. So we're gonna put in them today, we're gonna do radishes, cucumbers, and avocado with some shredded carrots. And yes, you can eat carrots if you're keto, despite what you might have heard.
I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to this just a little bit, okay? Because I like salt and pepper almost all the time. And a little bit of lemon juice.
Perfect.
What do you think about that?
Lemon and tuna go amazing together. Oh, and you can also do this with the chipotle lime mayo, which is another great option.
Absolutely.
And I do that a lot as well.
Okay.
Okay, so to start our wrapping, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put shiny side down. Probably doesn't matter, except the leaves kind of wanna curl this way anyway. So shiny side down. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some mayo. Actually, let's do it this way. We're gonna put some of the tuna right here.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. Kind of go all the way to the edges.
Okay.
This way, horizontally. Perfect.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Not perfect yet. Now it's perfect.
Okay, and then we're gonna be rolling this way. So we're gonna kind of lay our ingredients across ways. So you wanna throw some avocado in there.
I do. All right, so now we're gonna do maybe half an avocado.
Half an avocado. So a quarter of an avocado, because you don't wanna wrap these too much, you're gonna end up with like a giant burrito sized. It's gonna be a mess. Okay, so a little bit of shredded carrot. And I like to hit it with a little bit more pepper. Just my personal preference.
Okay.
Okay, and now we're just gonna roll like a burrito. Now again, because we have kind of 2 halves here, we gotta kind of keep it together at first. You can tuck the ends in a little bit, or you can just leave them open, it doesn't really matter. And as we roll, you're gonna see it's all nice. Now keep it seam side down so they don't fall apart. You can use toothpicks to secure at this point. And just slice it in half.
Nice.
And there you go. We're gonna plate it all fancy. Gonna maybe throw some radishes on there to look fancy, and then we're gonna make a second one and share a nice lunch. So there you go. Tuna avocado wraps with Primal mayo dressing.
Looks fabulous.
Delicious.